How to file small claims in Sacramento. In this video we will cover: what is small claims court? How to file small claims in Sacramento Court. What are the statutes of limitation in the Sacramento Court? What is the fee structure for small claims in Sacramento Court? We will explain step-by-step process. This video is created by smallclaimscalifornia.com. If you are not able to do all the work by yourself, smallclaimscalifornia.com can help you to prepare your documents for small claims. The link is in the description. What is small claims court? Small claims court is a simple court where you can try and resolve disputes cheaply and quickly. Small claims rules and procedures are simpler than in other courts. The hearing is informal. There is no jury. Parties represent themselves without lawyers. Small claims court handles civil cases asking for $10,000 or less. Here are some examples of problems you can handle in small claims court. Your landlord will not return your security deposit. Someone damaged your car and will not pay for the repairs. Your new TV will not work and the store will not repair it. Your tenant damaged your property and the security deposit will not cover the full repair costs. Your friend will not pay back the money you loaned them. What are the statutes of limitation? In many states, the time limit on filing, otherwise known as the statute of limitations, will depend on the type of claim. If your case is not filed in time, the judge can dismiss it. You must file your case before. Written contract, 4 years from the date the contract was broken. Oral contract, 2 years from the date the contract was broken. Personal injury, 2 years from the date of injury or from the date you discovered you were injured. Property damage, 3 years from the date the damage happened. Fraud, 3 years from the date you discover you were defrauded. How to file small claims in Sacramento Court. Here are the steps to file small claims in Sacramento Court. Step 1. Figure out how to name the defendant. When you are preparing to file a small claims case, you need to find out exactly who the defendant, the person or business you are suing, is so you can name him or her correctly on your claim. This may seem like a simple issue, but it can be very complicated. Step 2. Ask for payment. Small claims cases require that you ask the other side for payment before you go to court, unless there is a good reason why you cannot. You can ask in person, by phone, or in writing. You will have to tell the court you did this and how on your court form. If you decide to ask for payment in writing, you can use a demand letter. A demand letter is a short, clear letter demanding payment. Bring a copy of it to your court hearing to show the judge. You can also attach it to your court papers. Step 3. Find the right court to file your claim. Every county in California has a small claims court. You have to figure out which county's small claims court is the right court for your claim. You will file your claim in this court. If you file your claim in the wrong court, the court may dismiss your case and you will have to refile in the correct court. If the time to file your case, the statute of limitations, has run out, you may end up losing your case. So it is very important you file in the right court and not lose time. Step 4. Fill out your court forms. To prepare a claim, you need to fill out court forms that include a plaintiff's claim, Form SC 100. These forms tell the court and the person or business you want to sue about your claim. Following are the form that is needed to file a small claim. Plaintiff's claim and order to go to small claims court, Form SC 100. If you need more space to describe your claim and what happened, or you need witness statements, you can use a declaration, Form MC 030. If you are a business, you may also have to fill out a fictitious business name, Small Claims, Form SC 103, Declaration. Step 5. File your claim. Go to your county clerk's office and let them know you'd like to file a small claim. The clerk's office will give you paperwork to fill out with basic information for your case: your name, the plaintiff, the name of the person or business you're suing, the defendant, and the amount you're asking for. Be sure to keep copies of your paperwork for your records. Next, you'll need to pay court fees. Fees for filing a small claim vary by the claim amount, but it is typically around $80. Step 6. Serve your claim. Once you have filed your claim with the court, you need to notify the defendant that they are being sued. This is called service of process. There are rules governing who can serve the defendant. Your options are certified mail, using the sheriff, or hiring a private process server. After your claim is filed and served on the defendant, the court begins processing your claim. Only after your opponent is successfully served will the court set a pre-trial hearing or trial date. 7. Go to court. Many courts require that both parties attend a pre-trial hearing. At the pre-trial hearing, you can only bring documents, not witnesses, to prove your case. At a pre-trial hearing, you and your opponent can choose to have your case heard by a mediator, instead of going to trial. If you go to trial, both you and your opponent will have a chance to speak before the judge or court-appointed official. Only at this point can you call witnesses. However, calling witnesses requires additional service fees and serving them with a subpoena well in advance. You may hire the professional staff of smallclaimscalifornia.com to prepare the right forms for the right court. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.